Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Molly and here we have some sewing, crafts, and fun. Today we are doing another episode of Alternation. It's a show where I take an item of clothing I already have and change it around to make it fit my style, fit my body a little bit better. Today we are working on this pajama shirt. It has puffins on it. Puffins doing puffin things. And I love it very much, but since I started weightlifting, this does not fit me anymore. I'm too cut for these pajamas now. What I'm thinking is that we take the sleeves down a little shorter and then maybe taper in the waist so that this can become a cute spring-summer blouse, and I can still revel in the adorable puffin print, but get some more use out of this item. Let's get started. Here is what we have for the shirt, very pajama-esque. Let me move you back a bit. Okay, so what I'm going to do is find a point I like on the sleeves and put a safety pin in there on each side, and then average out that measurement down from the top to figure out how much to take off. I want to do short sleeves and just taper in the waist so we don't have so much saggy bagginess right here. To do that, I'm going to put the mic down. I don't think I really need to talk through it. So now I have, let me get my phone in my pocket. Now I have the spots marked where I'm going to base the measurement for taking the fabric out of. And if I had a more straight figure, I would just find this point and then go straight down, but I'm going to have to taper it out so that I can fit this nicely around my hips. I'll see if I can show you that once I've taken off the blouse. Okay, wrapping up, what do we think? I love how this turned out. It is so comfortable. It's so cute. It's just good all around. Oh, the light is really weird. Kind of better. Okay. I highly recommend turning your pajamas into blouses if you want. This was super easy. I think it took me less than a half hour. I also recommend cutting the sleeves more carefully because when I had to redo this one because it did not match. My shoulders are a little uneven though, so they match now and I'm happy. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Be brave and do your best. Okay, thanks, bye.